Topic: Fast food inside the human body, 3D medical animation. What really happens inside your body when you eat fast food? The moment fast food enters your mouth, digestion begins immediately. Inside the stomach, fats, salt, and acid start breaking the food down. This heavy meal increases stomach acid and slows digestion. In the intestines, sugar and fats are quickly absorbed into the blood. These nutrients rush through the bloodstream to the entire body. The brain releases dopamine, creating pleasure and food cravings. Muscles receive fast energy, but it does not last very long. Blood sugar rises, forcing the body to work harder to balance it. The stomach may become irritated due to oils and excess salt. After the energy peak, the body feels tired and heavy. Fast food gives quick pleasure, but long-term health needs balance.